Okay, let's go. Okay.
Let's talk about the resume. The one-pager that stands between you and your dream job or internship.
Don't worry, we're not gonna just tell you to make it one page and spell check it. This is your crash course on building a resume that actually gets results.
Your resume should be clear, simple, and easy to scan in 10 seconds or less. Most recruiters usually take minimal time to see if your qualifications match, so make it easy for them. Use a clean font, consistent formatting, and ditch the funky graphics, unless you're in a design field. Contact info up top, followed by education, experience, and any relevant skills, involvement, or certifications.
Make sure your education section includes your school, major, expected grad date, and GPA, if it's solid. Under experience, don't just list job duties. Tell us what you did and why it mattered.
Here's the magic formula. Action verb plus what you did plus impact/result. Instead of helped with social media, try created weekly Instagram content that boosted engagement by 25% over 2 months.
Quantify it when you can. Numbers catch eyes. Think how many people you worked with, how much time or money you saved, or how big the impact was.
You don't need a brand new resume for every job, but you do need to tweak it. Look at the job description, highlight key skills, tools, and tasks they mention, and mirror that language on your resume if it fits your experience.
Tailoring your resume shows the employer, hey, I read this, I care, I'm ready. And trust us, that stands out.
Don't forget about student organizations, leadership roles, projects, or volunteer work. You don't need a bunch of formal jobs to show experience. You just need to show transferable skills like teamwork, communication, time management, and initiative.
If it shows growth, responsibility, or impact, it belongs on your resume.
Before you hit submit, read it out loud. Double-check spacing, bullet alignment, and grammar. And always, always save it as a PDF with a professional title. No one wants to open final resume _VA _real _final fixed _for real .docx.
Your resume is your first impression. Make it count. Keep it clean, show off your accomplishments, and tailor it to every opportunity. You've got this.